Another truck to add to the scrapyard. The LS graveyard. Shit, 500 bucks. You can't beat that. Trump dog, what are you doing over there, boy? Finally decided to chill out. 163 on the miles, got good oil pressure. What all did you do to the motor?
Crank, bearings, cam, lifters, head gaskets, intake gasket, valve cover gasket, tom cover, rear main.
Well, let's just say this thing is good to go for the S10. Oh! Oh! Another truck to add to the scrapyard. The LS graveyard. We'll see how much nitrous or boost it'll hold. After I got it loaded, I realized old Trump dog made him a friend, Mr. Bosco. They went and played in the mud and got mud all over the place. Then, of course, Trump dog had to ride home with me. You are soaking muddy and soaking wet now. Look at you. Good grief. This is the aftermath of Trump playing in the mud and then riding home. What do you think of that? Huh? $500 snag. Yes, sir. Made it home safe. It's a little sketchy, but tie rod was broken, so we had to back it right on the trailer. All the weight was down there. We're good though. This truck could be fixed. Frame's been in, hitting the header. Can help. Yeah, you can't see, but frame's bent good. For $500, literally the motor doesn't have 1,000 miles on it. Could not pass that deal up. Interior's nice. Came with all kinds of junk. Sub box under there, all kinds of speakers. Only has 165 on the miles. It's a deal if I've ever seen one. I'm gonna get a tie rod put on it while it's on the trailer. Look at this. I got a ratchet strap where the wheel won't come over because that tie rod's busted. But they never called me back on the Honda Pilot at the auction, so I didn't end up getting anything. So this was it for today. Got it back home. Let's see, you got the jump box on there. Guess the jump box is dead. Well, I'm guessing box is dead. Get the window rolled up so this interior don't go bad. 163. Can't believe it. Huh. Maybe the box ain't dead. Shit, 500 bucks. You can't beat that. Motor sounds great. Hope this drive by wire. Oh. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Sounds like a worn out old 305. As soon as the weather acts right, I'll have some videos up of me working on this old truck, getting it back right for my uncle. Got the headlights and tail lights working for him so far.
Brake lights working.
Just a couple little things he needs me to do. Get all the gauges working. But should have a video of that up soon. He'll be ready to get on the road in no time. Get a new blinker switch, wiper switch, get the wipers working.
Don't think I'm gonna get much work done outside today.